In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a site title next to your logo on Squarespace. If you're looking to give your website a more polished and professional appearance by showcasing your brand name right next to your logo, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that everything is clear and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by logging into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace website and you'll find the login button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will prompt you to continue with your preferred login method. For simplicity, let's use the Continue with Google option. It's a quick and secure way to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your Squarespace websites. Choose the one you want to edit by clicking on it. This will take you to your website's main dashboard. Now that we're on the dashboard, it's time to navigate to where we can make some customizations. Look to the left side of the screen and find the menu option labeled Pages. Click on it. This will give you access to all the different pages on your website, but what we're focusing on today is something behind the scenes. After clicking on Pages, locate the Website Tools section, which is also in the left-hand menu. This is an important area where you can perform various tweaks and enhancements to your website. Inside Website Tools, you should see an option for Custom CSS. Go ahead and click on that. CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets, allows us to add stylish touches to our website, and in our case it will enable us to position the website title right next to the logo seamlessly. When you open the Custom CSS panel, there'll be a blank text box. This is where you can directly input your CSS code. To add a site title next to your logo, simply type in your specific CSS code. If you're not familiar with writing CSS, don't worry. There are many resources available online where you can find the exact snippet needed, or even ask for help on forums. Once you've typed in your code, take a moment to review it, make sure it reflects exactly what you want in terms of placement and styling of the site title. Finally, after entering your CSS code, your changes aren't complete until you hit Save. This button is typically located at the bottom right corner of the CSS panel. By saving, you're applying the changes to your live site, allowing your visitors to see the new site title next to the logo. And there you have it, a quick yet thorough way to add a site title next to your logo on Squarespace. Remember, customizations like these are great for enhancing your website's branding and can make a big difference in how your site is perceived. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Squarespace customization.